Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anuj, and in today's video I'm going to show you what is Anaconda Navigator and how do we install Anaconda Navigator onto our systems to run Python scripts. So to understand what is Anaconda Navigator, I'm going to use a browser to show you. So once you have a browser of your choice open, you want to go to this website, which is anaconda.com, and it will open this website for you. And I'll just make myself smaller, as you can see, or I can just go aside. So guys, as you can see, this is the website, which is the operating system for AI. So it's a very popular tool that is being used in the data science community. If you're going to use any tools for data analysis or data science, this is the most important tool which is being used by all the data scientists across the globe. And if you want to learn what is this application and how to install it, it's absolutely free. So I'm going to show you how do we install it. To install this application, as you can see, there are many you can see under this sign up option. I'll just make myself smaller. It makes it easier. Okay, one sec. So as you can see, you will have the sign up and sign in options, and you want to go to this free download option. The download is absolutely free. Click on this. Once you click, you will have this email option that says please enter your email and blah blah blah. We can skip the registration part, and there we go. We are on the page. We can download the version that we want. Because I'm using Mac with the Apple Silicon, so I can select the respective version for my system. And if you're using Windows, you can click on the graphical installer or this particular installer for Linux, whichever operating system of your choice is. So that being said, thank you so much. I'm going to show you how do we install this onto our systems and how does it look like when this is installed. So I'm going to show you in the next video how do we run this Anaconda Navigator, how do we set it up. So stick around. If you have any questions, leave down in the comment section. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much. I'll see you around.